So I didn't show this in my last video when I moved to the carport, but when we got the carport set up, it's not level. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, but basically we moved it from down there on the other side of the property because water kept collecting, and we moved it over here onto the high side of the property. Makes sense, right? Again, I have no idea what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do though, I wanna show y'all how to pop these pins out of the ground. So there's those pins. It's pretty simple. I'm using a Husky 70-inch post hole digger as a lever. And I'm just gonna take it with a brick, just pop it up, and then you'll see the pin kind of comes up. And you can see the bricks in there that I used from my original that didn't work so hot. So just keep doing this, keep working the pin up, and actually, and then the pin is up. Kind of soft ground, comes right out. So I'm gonna do it for the other side now, because again, I want to get, I don't think I need to pull this one all the way out, but I do want to pull it out of the ground, or up a little bit. So just pop this in here. This saved me so much time. I was gonna pay some local kids to do this for me. I decided to do it myself because it's not that hard. All right. So now, honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I ended up working on the backside a little bit too, because this side was kicked out to the left a little bit. You can see where it was. It's like right about there. So just using that Husky bar. That Husky bar works great, but just using that, it knocked it into place. But now it's revealed that it might be too high on the other end. So again, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm kind of having fun doing it, and I'm sure there's better ways to do it, and you all will tell me. But I like doing things the hard way sometimes. All right. So just so you know, these guys are curious. These are my daughter's horses. And we want to give them a dry spot to hang out because before it was all wet. But there's nothing I won't do anything from, sorry, there's nothing I won't do for my daughter. And there's nothing she won't do for her horses. So don't worry, she'll clean them up too. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I've got my simple blocks in place. Got them on the corners to raise it up. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and get the pins in, which, believe it or not, the pins are remarkably easy. All right. Right tools for the right job, right? So they generally go in pretty easy. There's that one. This one's kind of a pain because you got this bar to deal with, but just get it started. Sorry if the camera's going all over the place, probably getting vertigo. All right, so the sun is setting for the day, and the sun is setting on my job. Again, it's hokey, and I'm all right with it. But there it is. It's mostly level, got it held up with blocks, pinned in, And then just as a added protection, I've got some rocks down there, some scrap rocks I had on the property. And then I'll be backfilling it with dirt. So that ends it. Oh, and the least glamorous part of the job, getting the poop out of there. I just collect the poop. I don't actually